Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add social links to profile on Reddit. Firstly, get up into your application, then tap on your profile icon on the right upper side. Get up to your profile on the first selection, and as you can see here you have add social link option. Just click on it, and here you're gonna be able to choose a social get up setup. With this setup, for example, I will go with YouTube. Here you need to add the display text, or you can add a URL from that section. For example, in this case is from YouTube. Now I will go for display text and I will add Malaxy. I will go on it. Here I need to add that website.com. Now I will go for YouTube, then go select whatever you want. You need to select the account section, but I have selected a video because I need just to show you how it looks like. Then go on the tick on your right upper side, and as you can see the domain is not allowed. This is because, as I said before, you need to choose a right option. You need to choose your channel setup, go share, go copy link, then go for that selection, go add social links, go for YouTube. Here add this one, go add the display name, go on the last subshop, go add again. You can add whatever you want. For example, buy me a coffee, which you can add just username, for example this name. Then as you can see with this guy, just go save, and now we have getting up or add social links to our profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.